Good day everyone, welcome back to another webinar session. And do we have some exciting content for you this week? So as many parts of the world are starting to reopen after months of lockdown due to COVID-19, here at Winmate we have introduced a series of best practices to help businesses reopen in the smoothest and most efficient way possible. Alright, so to kick things off this session, we will highlight how Winmate's rugged mobile products are playing a huge part in the reopening of the global automotive industry. More specifically, how rugged tablet PCs are used in vehicle onboard diagnostics as car plants and car repair workshops go back in business. So again, let's welcome our technical marketing specialist and speaker of this session, Darren, who's going to introduce Winmate's vehicle diagnostic solutions. And here he is.
Hello everyone, I think it's a golden opportunity to find out the vehicle diagnostic applications.
Alright, so as Darren goes into more detail about how Winmate is helping the auto industries in the US and in Europe, let's begin to take it away and see what we have in store this session.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Darren from Marketing Department. Welcome to join our webinar and I'm so glad to see you. Today, I want to show you a few amazing products that can be used for vehicle onboard diagnostic application. Before starting this session, let me briefly introduce what Winmate Inc. is all about. As the leading rugged solutions provider with 25 years of experience in rugged computing technology, we currently have 400 employees and over 40 closed distribution channels around the world. Winmate is a public traded company on Taiwan Stock Exchange Corporation, and our key shareholders and partners include ASUS and Advantech. Also, we have flexible and complete function teams from design, manufacturing to after-sales service. In order to launch innovative and reliable products, amount of our R&D team has occupied nearly 40% in the company. Furthermore, some of our products have already passed the strict and complicated certificates in various vertical markets, such as oil and gas, medical, transportation, marine, and many more. After years of R&D and in-house testing, we may aim different vertical markets to launch corresponding solutions around the world. At Winmate, we prioritize our global service capabilities. In the industrial applications, customers usually use their products for 5 to 10 years. Therefore, product quality, customer service, and after-sales support are all very important to us. Frankly speaking, in order to launch top-class products, you must have a lot of investments, inclusive manpower or testing equipment. Winmate is one of the few IPC manufacturers with strong rugged engineering capabilities in the world. Firstly, to overcome environmental challenges, we have strong rugged design teams. Testing and design items are numerous and complicated, such as drop, vibration, tumbling test, moisture, thermal simulation, and modeling, and so on. These are Winmate's in-house testing facilities. For example, high and low temperature test can make sure the operation temperature of products are qualified. Vibration, tumbling test, drop test, impact test can examine if our products are rugged or not. Secondly, to enable IoT and industrial application, we build talented software decoder teams from firmware, software to cloud computing service. Due to the user scenario in transportation market, some of our products have ignition design to protect the system itself. Also, dynamic thermal plan can promote performance and stability of products. Take healthcare market for example, the service temperature of product is usually below 48 degrees. because this temperature is acceptable to touch for users. Some patients may be disabled, so this kind of design can avoid injuries. In order to solve this issue, you must have a great thermal solution. Certainly, we have rich and sophisticated system integration experience, so customers can save much time and effort, inclusive of panel and touch enhancement, RF, or strict certification. In order to offer customers one-stop shop and service, Winmate has complete lineup and passed the various and strict certification in advance. In order to offer excellent customer service and after-sales support, we have numerous branches spread across Asia, Europe, North America, and Canada. This means we can promptly and effectively respond to customers all around the world. 2022 is a big year to Winmate. At that time, our new headquarters will be completed in Sanchong District. The grand building is amazing and beautiful. In order to launch innovative and top-class products, this building will include R&D Innovation Center, and our employees amount will become twice that. Vehicle onboard diagnostic is a very interesting and a niche application. Winmate is good at this vertical market. I think it's a golden opportunity that you can realize the application. For the main topic we are going to discuss today, first I will introduce the vehicle onboard diagnostic application. Then I will highlight what challenges are in this vertical market. Next, we look at how to overcome this issue with a few proposals from Winmate. And last, we will go over why Winmate's every customer's best mate and conclude the session with a brief summary. Vehicle onboard diagnostic is used in efficient and accurate manufacturing, diagnostic, repair, and maintenance. With increased reliance on car sensors and control systems, the vehicle must be carefully designed to ensure the safety of the driver, passengers, pedestrians, and other vehicles. To improve the quality and reduce errors in these systems, automotive suppliers require good diagnostic tools to detect and discover any faults that appear within the automotive systems. Examples can include tire pressure, engine health, or battery voltage. However, there are still many challenges in field side. At first, the correct onboard diagnostic requires connecting a special connector, an OBD port connected to the vehicle system to receive information about car status. Secondly, devices that are carried around in workshops are frequently dropped by workers. Next, you need to realize onboard diagnostic is a complicated process. Sometimes the data you get is not only text but also diagrams and charts. The device must be big enough to display sufficient vehicle information and task plans. And last, technicians usually work with gloves while performing car inspection, so adjusting the parameter of the touch panel is also important. Due to this phenomena and challenges, we may release two powerful and user-friendly models, M133WK and M133K. No matter which model you choose, our highly versatile and rugged tablet has three unique selling points, including ergonomic kickstand handle, brilliant display, and a long battery life. In these pictures, you can find that this portable device can be hand-carried or placed on any surface with full 180-degree rotation. In addition, we also offer comprehensive accessories. Apart from the standard features, our tablets are compatible with VESA mount, desk dock station, or shoulder strap, like some kind of transformer. Plus, you can use this accessory in different scenarios. Second, we must highlight the brilliant display. Our tablet has anti-glare coating and optical bonding, so it's easily readable and convenient for users. If you find that the tablet is not bright enough, there's a high brightness option with 800 nits. Next is the long battery life. Our tablet has a 10-hour battery life, so it's suitable for full-day shifts. Apart from the unique selling points, we also have four key selling points, which are powerful computing, wireless connectivity, biodiversity, and its rugged design. At first, customers have multiple options in terms of CPU, RAM, storage, and OS. Our tablet also supports Wi-Fi with Bluetooth 5.0. Customers can stay connected wherever jobs take them. Regarding biodiversity, our tablets offer a comprehensive interface for users. If our standard design does not meet your requirements, we still can customize the product for you. And last, these two rugged products are ready for challenging environment because both products have reached military standard A10G and pass rigorous pressure testing from our in-house lab. In this case, technicians require mobile and powerful tools to speed up maintenance service and make sure the quality of inspection in car repair stations. We help customers to solve their problems promptly in their projects. This is why Winmate is our customer's best mate, and we continue to maintain very close partnerships. As mentioned, our products were adopted by customers in multiple vertical markets worldwide, such as in industrial automation, military, vehicle onboard diagnostic, oil and gas, and many more. Clients can trust quality, reliability, and durability for all Winmate's products. Also, we prioritize to offer excellent customer service and after-sales support for customers. We may offer one-stop shop and a service to customers, so customers are easy to integrate and can use cheaper price to get our package solution together. If our standard design does not meet your requirement, we still can customize the product for you. In customers' projects, we always show our ability to overcome different challenges and eliminate concern from the customer. Likewise, if you have any potential projects on your hand, you are very welcome to discuss it with us. We aim to offer the appropriate proposal for your needs. Next, customers can fully engage with Winmate at all times. During the development period, we may meet unexpected and avoid problems, but we will fix it through standardized weekly meeting and frequent communication. And last, we will make sure the product time to market and it can be delivered on time. Based on what I have mentioned above, we are confident in helping our customer with any project. It's the end of my presentation. Hopefully you enjoyed my talk. Bye bye.